Hello everyone, this is lesson number 19, HSK 2, and chapter number 10. So let's start. And first lesson, first word for today is 西瓜 watermelon. 西瓜. So 西 is west, 瓜 is, you can say melon, but in China they have a lot of different melon, 南瓜, 黄瓜. So, but 西瓜 is our watermelon. In the summer, everyone likes to eat watermelon. 夏天大家都喜欢吃西瓜。夏天 summer，夏天大家 everyone and everyone 都 is like everyone's. You can just to more emphasize it everyone. 夏天大家都喜欢吃西瓜，喜欢吃 likes to eat watermelon. This watermelon is not sweet. 这个西瓜不甜，不甜 not sweet，不甜，甜 is sweet。这个西瓜不甜。I want to buy a big watermelon。我想买一个大西瓜。我想买 I want to buy 一个 one 大西瓜 big watermelon。我想买一个大西瓜。Next one, 鸡蛋。鸡 is chicken, 蛋 is egg, so chicken egg, 鸡蛋。I ate an egg in the morning. 早上我吃了一个鸡蛋。早上 in the morning 我吃了 I ate 一个鸡蛋 one egg。早上我吃了一个鸡蛋。鸡蛋。There are no eggs in the refrigerator. 冰箱里没有鸡蛋了。冰 it's ice, 箱 it's a box. So ice box you can say 冰箱 refrigerator. 冰箱里 inside 没有鸡蛋了。So 没有 there is no 鸡蛋 eggs and le also can say show maybe before it was some eggs, but the change of situation now there is no eggs. 冰箱里没有鸡蛋了。Do you want to eat rice or egg noodles? 你想吃米饭还是吃鸡蛋面？你想吃米饭 ？So you want to eat 米饭 is rice 还是 or 吃鸡蛋面 ？So 鸡蛋面面 noodles 鸡蛋 egg so egg noodles 鸡蛋面。你想吃米饭还是吃鸡蛋面 ？Next one 手机 cell phone mobile phone so 手 is your hand 机 is like mechanism 手机 Look there is a new cell phone 看 look 这是我的新手机 This is my new cell phone 这是我的 my 新手机 You can say 新的手机 or just 新 is also okay 看这是我的新手机 He is buying a cell phone in the store 他在商店买手机他在 at 商店store 商店 some store could be any store shopping 在商店买手机 buy a cell phone 买手机他在商店买手机 Don't look at your phone while walking 走路的时候不要看手机 So 走路 walking 的时候 at the time So when you move time moment when you're walking 走路的时候不要看手机 Don't need to watch your phone 不要看手机走路的时候不要看手机 So next one 准备 to prepare to get ready 准备 Let's see Are you ready 你准备好了吗 So this how is good but indicate completion So you ready good 你准备好了吗？你准备好了吗？ I'm preparing lunch. 我正在准备午饭。午饭 lunch and 正在说 currently in the process of you can say preparing in I'm preparing. 我正在准备午饭 or sometimes could be just 在我在准备午饭。午 is noon, 饭 is meal, right? 午饭。Tomorrow is the exam. I need to prepare a bit. 明天考试，明天考试 tomorrow is exam，我要准备一下。I need to prepare a bit，我要准备一下，准备一下。明天考试，我要准备一下。So s 一下 so a bit briefly you can say 准备一下。Next one 午饭 lunch。Where are we eating lunch？我们在哪里吃午饭？我们在哪里 ？Where 吃 eat 午饭 lunch 哪里 ？Where 我在哪儿 ？Also possible。我们在哪里吃午饭？I didn't eat lunch today。我今天没吃午饭。So 今天 today 没吃 didn't eat 午饭 lunch。我今天没吃午饭。Lunch is really delicious. 午饭真好吃，好吃 delicious 真 really delicious. 午饭真好吃，好吃。Next one 玩 to play to amuse oneself or could be玩 or 玩 also possible. He is playing on the computer in the room. So usually about games. 他在房间里，房间里 inside of room 玩电脑 play computer 玩电脑 computer，他在房间里玩电脑。Welcome to come to my house to play. So here's to play is mean to hang out, just to have some fun time. 欢迎你来我家玩。欢迎 welcome you come to my home 来我家玩。欢迎你来我家玩。Don't go there to play. It's not safe. 不要去那里玩，不安全。So 那里 there, not 哪里 but 那里 there. 不要 don't need to or don't. 不要去那里玩 to play there. 不安全 is not safe. 不安全全 is safe. You can say 安全 is safety or peaceful, but usually about safety. 不要去那里玩，不安全。Next one 课 lesson or class 课。I have 3 classes today. 今天我有3节课。今天 today 我有 I have 3节课。So 切 measure word for class period. You can also say 个 you can say 3个课 but 3节课 is more correct. 今天我有3节课 classes. Now we start the class. 现在我们开始上课。So this 上 here is mean to start. As you before you know 上班 to start work, 上课 to start lesson. To attend class, go to class, have class. 开始 to start. 现在我们开始上课。Chinese class is very interesting. 汉语课很有意思。汉语课 Chinese class 汉语课很有意思 is very interesting. Interesting 有意思or 有趣 sometimes. 汉语课很有意思。Next one 帮助 to help or assistance. So it could be verb or could be noun. Let's see. Helping each other is a good thing. 互相帮助是好事。So just 互相 is mutual or each other to reciprocal 哇，什么意思？完了，那什么互相帮助是好事，就好 is good，是 sing so good sing 好事，互相帮助是好事。So here's helping, also help. Thank you for your help. 谢谢你的帮助。So here's as a noun. 谢谢你的帮助，帮助。Can you help me study? 你可以帮助我学习吗？你可以帮助我 help me 学习 study. Mouthful question. 你可以帮助我学习吗？ Next one, 别 so has a lot of meanings, but here just don't. 不要 so don't need to do something. Usually for other people when we talk to other people. Don't talk. The teacher is coming. 别说话 don't talk, don't speak. 别说话，老师来了。老师 teacher 来了 is coming or already come 来了。别说话，老师来了。It's raining outside. Don't go out. 外面下雨了。外面 outside 下雨了 raining. 别出去 don't go out. 别出去。外面下雨了，别出去。It's too late. Don't watch TV anymore. 太晚了，太晚了 too late. 别看电视了。别看 don't watch. 别看电视 and TV. L here you can say l show anymore. Change of situation. Also sometimes 别 works together with l. 太晚了，别看电视了。Next one, 哥哥 elder brother. My older brother is 2 years older than me. 我哥哥比我 than I 大2岁 big 2 years so 2岁 2 years and 大 older or bigger 老 usually 老2岁 or 大 usually use 大let's see 对 the same 我哥哥比我大2岁2岁 2 years. Older brother likes to play basketball. 哥哥喜欢打篮球。喜欢 like 打篮球 to play basketball. 打篮球。He went running with his older brother. 他和哥哥一起去跑步。他和哥哥 with his brother 一起 together 去跑步 go to running 去跑步。他和哥哥一起去跑步。Running or run is running. Next one 正在 just at the time or right now. Sometimes just continuous show continuous. Younger brother is sleeping right now. 弟弟正在睡觉。睡觉 to sleep. 正在 is now. Is sleeping or is sleeping right now you can say. 弟弟正在睡觉。We having class right now. 我们正在上课。上课 attend class or have a class right now. Or in the class. 我们正在上课。上课。What are you doing right now? 你正在做什么？做什么 do what and right now doing right. 你正在做什么？ And last one, 洗 to wash. 洗 as you can see water on the left. You need to wash your hands before eating. 吃饭前要洗手。吃饭前 so 前 before 要 you need to 洗手。wash hands 洗手。吃饭前要洗手。I'm washing clothes. 我在洗衣服。So wash clothes 洗衣服。And 在 show 正在 so right now. 我在洗衣服。我在洗衣服。This apple hasn't been washed. You can't eat it. 这个苹果没洗 so 没 still didn't something wash 没洗没有洗没洗不能吃 cannot eat 不能吃这个苹果没洗不能吃苹果 apple. So let's repeat what we learned today. 西瓜 watermelon 西瓜鸡蛋 chicken egg 鸡蛋鸡 as you can see here is a bird on the right side 手机 cell phone 手机 as you can see 鸡 is the same but different characters 准备 to prepare to get ready for exam or for to prepare lunch also you can say 准备午饭 lunch 午饭玩 to play or 玩 also could be or sometimes hang out in a city 玩课 lesson or class 课 and you remember major word 节课帮助 to help or assistance 帮助 or helping 别 don't do something 别哥哥 older brother 哥哥正在 just at the time right now just to show continuous action or you can sometimes omit just use 在 and last one 洗 to wash 洗 for clothes for food for anything 洗 and in the next lesson we'll practice our audio so see you